How to delete WhatsApp chat history permanently on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear out your chats for good in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, find the chat you want to delete and press and hold on it to select it. From there, tap on the delete icon at the top right of the screen. At this point, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete the chat. Tap on Delete Chat to confirm. In the next step, the chat will now be removed from your WhatsApp chat list permanently. From here, let me show you how to delete all your chats at once. Tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. At this stage, tap on Settings. From there, tap on Chats. Following this, tap on Chat History to open the chat history options. Once done, tap on Delete All Chats to remove every conversation from your WhatsApp at once. From there, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Type in your phone number to confirm and tap on Delete All Chats to proceed. At this stage, all your chats will now be permanently deleted from your device. Here's an important note. Deleting chats on WhatsApp only removes them from your device. The other person will still have the conversation on their end, so keep that in mind before deleting anything sensitive. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete your WhatsApp chat history, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.